Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you how to create bulleted and numbered lists on a Windows MS Word, and here's how. Start by observing the status bar at the bottom left corner of the Word window. It displays the current page number and total page count of the document. In this case, you have identified that the document consists of 5 pages, and the page you want to access is page 3. To navigate directly to the desired page, you will use the Go To feature in Microsoft Word. There are several ways to access it. Use the keyboard shortcut, press Ctrl+G. This brings up the Find and Replace dialog box with the cursor already placed in the Go To tab. Alternatively, you can go to the Home tab on the Word ribbon, click on the Editing group and select Find from the drop-down menu, then choose Go To from the options. With the Go To dialog box open, type in the page number you want to navigate. In this case, you will enter 3 since you want to go to page 3. After entering the page number, click on the Go To button or press Enter on your keyboard. Word will instantly jump to the specified page, positioning your cursor at the beginning of that page. Once you have navigated to the desired page, you can verify that you are on the correct page by checking the page number displayed in the status bar. It should now indicate that you are on page 3. Now, I have compiled a list of countries showcasing the top 10 education ranking for 2024. While the list appears presentable, I believe it would be more visually appealing and easier to read if it were formatted as a bulleted list. If I click on the first line item, such as United States, and navigate to the Home tab, I will find a section within the paragraph group dedicated to bullets and numbering. When we are looking at the first item in our document, it is where we have the opportunity create a bulleted list. To do this, we navigate to the Home tab and locate the paragraph group. Within this group, there is an option for bullets. Clicking on the drop-down arrow next to bullets icon opens up the bullet library. This library provides us with various bullet styles to choose from, allowing for customization based on our preferences and the document's aesthetic requirements. Each bullet style offers a unique visual representation, ranging from simple dots to more intricate designs. For most documents, the default bullet style, represented by the first option in the library, is commonly used. It is a straightforward, plain bullet that serves its purpose without drawing too much attention away from the content itself. After selecting the desired bullet style from the library, we can easily apply it to the entire list without the need to manually format each item individually. Begin by clicking and dragging your cursor to select all the items in the list that you want to format with bullets. Alternatively, you can place your cursor at the beginning of the first item and press Ctrl+Shift+N to select the entire list. With the selection made, simply click on the bullet style you want to apply once more. This action will instantly format the entire selected list with the chosen bullet style. Once you have applied the bullets to the entire list, Word recognizes it as a list, making it easier to make changes to the bullet style without the need to reselect the entire list. If you decide to change the bullet style for the entire list, simply click your cursor anywhere within the list to activate it. Next, click on the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. This action opens up the bullet library. From the bullet library, select the new bullet style you want to apply to the list. Upon selecting the new bullet style, Word automatically updates the entire list to reflect the change. When you are at the end of an item like United States, pressing Enter creates another bullet point at the same level, maintaining the main list structure. However, if we press Tab key instead, Word indents the text, creating a sublist or a nested list with a different bullet style. This is perfect for adding secondary list items or details related to the main item. For example, after pressing Tab to indent, you could type Miami to provide information specifically related to the city. You can continue adding additional sublist items under United States or any other main list item, creating a hierarchical structure within your bulleted list. Using the Tab key to create nested lists allow you to organize information effectively, providing clarity and depth to your document's content. If you want to remove the bullet from a single line, simply place your cursor anywhere within that line. Then click on the drop-down arrow next to the Bullets button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. From the drop-down menu, select None. This action removes the bullet from the selected line while keeping the rest of the list intact. To remove bullets from the entire list, you need to select the entire list first. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor to select all the items in the list, or by placing your cursor at the beginning of the first item and pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus N to select the entire list. Once the list is selected, click on the drop-down arrow next to the bullets button and choose None from the bullet library. This action removes bullets from the entire list, returning it to regular text formatting. If you want to remove the series and return the list to its original state, simply delete the sublist items. This will revert the list back to how it was previously, with only the main list items remaining. Converting the bulleted list in a numbered list is straightforward. However, for the first time you apply a numbered list, it is important to select the entire list first to ensure consistent numbering across all items. Click and drag your cursor to select all the items in the list, or place your cursor at the beginning of the first item and press Ctrl plus Shift plus N to select the entire list. Once the entire list is selected, navigate to the Home tab and locate the paragraph group. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the numbering button. Choose the desired numbering style from the gallery. This action will apply numbering to the entire selected list, starting from the first item and continuing sequentially. When you click on the drop-down arrow next to the numbering button, you will see the numbering library. This library offers various numbering styles to choose from, allowing you to customize the appearance of the numbers based on your preferences and document requirements. Some common numbering styles available in the library include Arabic numerals 1, 2, 3. Arabic numerals enclosed in parentheses or brackets 1, 2, 3. Roman numerals 1, 2, 3. Uppercase and lowercase alphabetic characters ABC or lowercase abc. Alphabetic characters enclosed in parentheses A, B, C. After selecting the entire list, you can choose a numbering style from the numbering library. For instance, you can select the 1, 2, 3 style to number each item sequentially. Once the numbering style is applied, pressing Enter will create the next numbered item, and pressing Tab will indent the text, creating a sublist with a different bullet style. To reset the list and remove numbering, simply select the entire list again and choose None from the numbering library. This action resets the list back to regular text formatting without any bullets or numbers. To use a picture as a bullet, you first need to insert the picture into your document. Once the picture is inserted, you can then set it as a custom bullet for your list. To do this, select the entire list, then click on the drop-down arrow next to the bullets button in the paragraph group on the Home tab. From the drop-down menu, choose Define New Bullet. In the Define New Bullet dialog box, click on the Picture button. Select the desired picture from your computer and click Insert to add it as a custom bullet. Click OK to apply the picture as the bullet for your list. Once again, I will select the entire list. Let us click on the drop-down menu and note that at the bottom there is an option to define a new bullet. If you find that none of the bullets provided in the bullet library suit your preference, you have the option to use any picture as a bullet. For instance, if you have a small image or a logo saved on your hard drive, you can select Picture and then browse for it. Alternatively, and sometimes this is more effective, we can choose a symbol from Word's built-in symbol gallery. Let us proceed by clicking on Symbol. This action will display all the available symbols. From here, I can select a symbol to use as a bullet. For example, let us choose a star from the gallery. After selecting it, I will click OK to confirm. This provides a preview of how the selected symbol will appear as a bullet in the list. When I click OK, it will use stars as bullet points instead. One more thing worth mentioning is the button at the top for a multi-level list. Currently, I have a single level list. If I select all the items and click the drop-down, I can choose one of these options. This is where I can customize the appearance of different levels. For instance, if the top level has a 1 next to it, pressing the Tab key will create the next item as 1.1. This feature allows for detailed customization of list hierarchy and formatting. Pressing the Tab key again will result in the next item being labeled as 1.1.1. There are various preset styles available that we can apply. For example, if I choose a particular style, I will have a numbered list from 1 to 11. However, if there are other items in the list, pressing the Tab key will generate 1.1 and pressing it again will produce 1.1.1. This provides a wide range of styles that can be used not only for bullets, but also when constructing a numbered list in your document. And that's it. I hope this helps, and before we end this video, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.